Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel LKT Bro Financial Freedom. Without wasting time, we will jump into our video. Guys, I'm in the Nifty-50 index in the weekly time frame. After this impulsive move to the downside, what we can expect next? We can expect a corrective wave, which is a three-wave structure. What it means? A corrective is a minimum three-wave structure. Guys, who are all don't know what is impulsive wave and what is corrective wave, I will strongly recommend it to watch my backtesting strategy videos. So corrective wave is a minimum three-wave structure which is marked as A, B and C. Nifty 50 index, after this impulsive wave, wave A and B are going to be finished. What we can expect next? We are not interested in sell setup. We are interested only in the buying setup. In coming weeks, we are expecting market to go high and break this top. In the lower time frame, which is 1 hour time frame, I can see a regular flat. After this regular flat, there is an impulsive move to the downside. Unless until we did not break this top next week, we are not going for a buying setup. Friends, this is not any buy or sell recommendation. Before jump into any trade, please do your research. Friends, I'm in the Bank Nifty index in a weekly time frame. After this impulsive move, we can expect a corrective wave. It came in the form of expanding flat. After this expanding flat, there is an impulsive move to the downside. What we can expect next? We can expect a corrective wave. Bank Nifty in the 4 hours time frame. I can see an impulsive move to the upside. After this impulsive move, we got a three-wave corrective structure. It came in the form of expanding flat. After this expanding flat, we can expect a move to the upside. Friends, this is not any buy or sell recommendation. Please do your research before investing your hard-earned money. For weekly update in the Nifty and Bank Nifty, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Until then, goodbye.